Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do question number 16 of your textbook. Here is the question. Satyam Limited issued 12,008% debentures of rupees 100 each at par as on 1st July 2017. These debentures are to be redeemed on 30 June 2023 at rupees 115 per debenture. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of the company for issued and redemption of debentures without narration. See, this is the situation when debentures are issued at par and are redeemable at a premium. See, when premium payable at the time of redemption of debentures is a loss for the company. Hence, that amount is debited to loss on issue of debentures account. Such premium payable at a future date is a liability to the company. So this amount of premium is credited to premium on redemption of debentures account. So here you should keep in mind that the premium called or received at the time of issue of debentures and transferred to securities premium reserve account is a gain or profit for the company, whereas premium payable on redemption of debentures, which is transferred to premium on redemption of debentures account, is a liability to the company. When debentures are redeemable at a premium, then following entries will be written under, let us see under this situation. When debentures are issued at par but are redeemable at a premium, that is in excess of the nominal or face value. So where debentures are redeemable at a premium, another entry is passed at the time of allotment of debentures. This entry is for providing premium payable on redemption. So let us see first journal entry. Here when company receives the amount, here bank account will be debited by rupees 12 lakh, that is 12,000 debentures that company issued, multiply by rupees 100, that is face value. Then on 1st July 2017, here our second journal entry would be debenture application and allotment account will be debited by rupees 12 lakh, that is at face value of debentures. Then loss on issue on debentures account will be debited, as it is loss, so it will be debited by rupees 1,80,000, that is premium amount to be paid at the time of redemption. Then 8% debenture account will be credited by rupees 12 lakh, that is at face value of debentures. Then premium on redemption of debentures account will be credited by rupees 1,80,000, that is 12,000 debentures, multiply by rupees 15. 15 is the amount of premium per debenture to be paid at the time of redemption of debentures. So here premium on redemption of debenture account will be credited by rupees 1,80,000, that is 12,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 15. Then let us see the journal entry at the time of redemption. So here 8% debenture account will be debited by rupees 12 lakh, that is at face value of debentures. Then premium on redemption of debenture account will be debited by rupees 1,80,000, that is 12,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 15, that is premium amount to be paid at redemption. Then debenture holders account will be credited by rupees 13 lakh 80,000. That is total amount, that is total payable amount, that is 12,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 115, as it is given in the question that these debentures are to be redeemed at rupees 115 per debenture. That is, these debentures are to be redeemed at rupees 15 per debenture, that is premium. So here 12,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 115, that is face value, plus premium amount, that is 100 plus 15, that comes to 115. So 12,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 115, that comes to 13 lakh 80,000. So here debenture holders are creditors or liability to the company. So here debenture holder account will be credited. Now next journal entry, when the amount is paid to debenture holders. So here debenture holders are now the receiver of the money. So debenture holders account will be debited by rupees 13 lakh 80,000. That is total payable amount. And bank account will be credited by rupees 13 lakh 80,000. Here bank balance of the company is getting reduced, as here amount is paid to debenture holder. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.